Welcome to Hardwired McLean.
You got Google outdoor cameras. Either you installed them, you paid somebody to install them, or a company installed them, and you recently changed internets. Uh-oh. I'm sure by now you realize that you no longer have access to those cameras. Because you got to remember that those cameras are specifically assigned to that specific username and password, those credentials. Let's talk about how to fix it. So first we gotta factory reset the camera so it can be in pairing mode once more.
Take your camera on the back of it. You'll see this little tiny cylinder here. You're going to hold down on that until the unit factory resets. There it is. Ready to be paired. Let's locate our Google Home and go ahead and open the app.
We must delete the camera that's currently not functioning. So let's find it and click on it. Click the three dots and then select Settings. Scroll to the bottom, select Remove Device and confirm removal. Now we're ready to reprogram the camera. At the top right corner,
you hit the plus symbol and we'll go to device. Now let's say scan QR code. Then we'll go ahead and flip our device over and scan the QR code.
If you don't have the QR code, instead hit the plus symbol, select Add Device, select Search for Device, confirm our home. Once our search is complete, we're going to select the one that matches our device. You can verify this by checking the last 4 digits of the serial number on the device. Once confirmed, select the device and hit Next. Now it's time to enter our 6-digit setup code that can be found below the serial number on the device. Hit Next and then Next.
Choose our home.
If you're dealing with multiple cameras, match them up by the code that's on them.
Device.
We're going to hit Next and agree to the terms and conditions, the user guidelines, and the privacy guidelines.
Ooh, yes, I'm in. We'll go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi.
Select our Wi-Fi and hit Next. Insert password and hit Connect. Hit Next, and now we're going to name our device. Either choose from the list provided, or you can hit Custom and put in your own. We're going to go ahead and put in a Custom. Now we must wait for it to download some updates.
See, we got the green light.
We're skipping through the installation guide. Select Indoor Outlet and hit Next. Next. Keep hitting Next until we get to Video History. Once there, toggle Video on and hit Next. Then we want both microphone and audio selected, then hit Next. Select Familiar Face, then select our camera, then hit Next. Verify our camera is being monitored by ADT, then hit Next. No, thank you. Once the camera finishes this process, it'll be programmed and viewable through your Google Home.